Kang Barangay Don Pedro versus Tambak. And for the first five on both teams, please enter on the center of our court and let's start on the first period. And now let's start for tonight's third game. Bakbakang Barangay Don Pedro versus Tambak. That is a no good. Gilido now, Gilido pa rin. Gilido. Slashing the middle, no good. Gilido put back. That connects a foul on jersey. On number 8, there is a guilty on a pushing foul on Martinez. Connects a foul on jersey number 5 on Montilla. That is 2 points. This time Montilla number 5, Montilla. Sa ilalim, no good. Pero bola mapupunta para sa Barangay. Asang asangan din mo na. Gilido to Refugio now, number 55.
Paano mo babalikan? Motor lang. Hindi. Marami yun.
No good. This time on Alcarado to Gilido. Natapigan on Gilido, number 11. And last to number 6, Montilla sa ilalim, no good. No good. Same ball tayo, there is a same ball. Hulog pass. 8 seconds to shoot. Alcantara. No good. Saves Refugia. The ball Belga Barangay Tambak. Torres the 2 points. On Refugia. Beside number 8 on Martinez. Martinez pa rin. Kick pass. Number 3, 2. And that's balik on Martinez. Mapupulat on Cortez. Jersey number 8. Cortez now. Cortez pa rin, slashing down middle. Masyadong malakas. Put back on Alcantara.
Yan, pa-share naman po ng live po natin mga idol.
And that's number 11 to number 3. Kiratman. Bigay on Ednas. Puts it through. And that is 3 points on Ednas number 11. Alcantara, that is a no good. And now number 11 to Martinez. That is a 2 points on Martinez. 8-7. Our official score. Isang puntos ang kalamangan on the orange shirt. Barangay Tambak, Cortez. That is a 3 points naman on Cortez. And that's number 11. Turn around jumper, no good. Gilido number 18. Gilido now. Turn it down. Alcantara saves the ball. Alcantara. That is a basket on Alcantara. Number 8 on Martinez. That is a short. Substitution. Montilla is out. Replace on Imos. Number 9. Refugia number 25. The guy Gilida. Two points is good on number 29 on Alcantara again. Exactly 4 minutes at nakaagaw pa ang Cortez. Pinaport pa yun ang Cortez. Steal again, Cortez. That is a basket.
Grabe naman yun, may Cortez.
Pero 4 points ang nagawa ang Cortez. Naka-steal pa siya doon ng mag-isa. Still Refugia. That is still. It does number 11 this time. 2. Kiratman. Basket and connects a foul on Jersey. On number 18. Timeout para sa Barangay Don Pedro. And now back to the ball game. Three minutes and 23 seconds. This time, take the bonus free throw on Kiratman number 3. Bonus throw, that is a no good. Defensive rebound. Refugia. Single tayo, there is a single. That is a no good. Bigayan, that's number 11 to Kiratman again. Parang replay lang. That is a 2 points on Kiratman. 19-11 official score. This time on Alcantara. Alcantara pa rin. Pero mahuhuli Kiratman to that's number 11. Up and away.
Sir Antonio Los.
That is a basket count and connects a foul on jersey. Basket count connects a foul on number 29 on Alcantara, guilty on the pressing foul substitution. On Alcantara, number 6 is out. Cortez, number 14. First is a basket. Now number 18 on Gilida, number 18. Refugia now on Cortez. That is a no good. Number 9 to Ednas, number 11. Bigay naman on Kiratman, number 3 to Ednas. The guy on number 19, Tremelios, that is using the last 2 points. Gilido, buhay pa si Uben Mendoza. Connects a foul on number 19. There is a hacking foul substitution. Kayabyab is out on number 6. Chris Mondo is in this bogey. Cortez, number 14 to Cortez. Alcantara, strongly guarded. Alcantara on Kiratman. On the side, that is a no good. It does. Kiratman saves the ball. Number 3 on Kiratman. Pero hindi nakita. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Gilido now. Bigay Alcantara. Lalapit ng bahagya. No good. Oh, number 19. Kinukulit on Cortez. Number 19 pa rin. Tremelios. Natapikan. Pero may foul na on jersey. On number 11 on Ednas. That is your first personal foul on Ednas. Substitution. Number 14 on Cortez. Fires the 3 and that is the 3 points on Cortez. Number 8. And that's number 11, bigay on Imos to Montilla. Perimeter jumper. That is the 2 points on Montilla. 1 minute 25 seconds. Lulupas. No good. Napalakas ng bahagya. And that's number 11. Slashing from middle, that is a 2 points. 1 minute 5 seconds. Bobelga now on number 55, no good. Number 20, Rismundo. Pero napalakas. Cortez on number 8. Bigay Alcantara sa ilalim. No good. 40 seconds. Just wait na mag-buzzer. Huwag kayong sumisigaw. Pwede? Dito kayo maupo sa kabila, Gilido, doon ka maupo. Usog kayo ng konti doon. Yung mga players lang ang nakaupo dyan sa may bench para hindi nakukuha yung pag-substitution dito. Connects a foul on jersey number 5. That is Montilla. That is your second personal foul. 31 seconds. Cortez. That is a no good. That we have a foul on number 9. Penalty situation. There is a penalty. And 2 shots on Reputa for the Bo Belga of Barangay Tambak. The first throw, that is a 2 strong on Reputa. This time on the second free throw. Nandyan ang tatlong referee, buhay pa, Ongas pa, at Mendoza sa pira. Buhay pa yung mga yan, ha? 25 seconds, and that's number 11. To Montilla, number 5. Didiretso, no good. Bola. Maibabalik sa Barangay Tambak. Substitution. Number 11 is out. Replace on Martinez. $15 seconds. Ten seconds. Bigay. Number 19. 2. No good. That is a 2 strong. Same ball tayo. That is a same ball. Only 1.6 seconds. That's the end on the first period. 22-20 our official score. Shout out on the SK chairman na dalawa andito sa committee table. Si Ma'am Les tsaka si Miss Chiumi Nibado. Manunood lang sila. Wala silang sinusuportahan. Barangay Tambak for the basketball. On the second period, let's start on the second period now. Now number 17 on Alcarado, back to Cortez. Cortez naman, nuling pass on Alcarado. That is a 2 strong. Defensive rebound, Montilla. Iiwan para kay Kirakman. Kirakman now, strongly guarded. Dalawang bantay. Di maipasa, bigay on Martinez. 2, sa ilalim naman, no good. Cortez now, almost steal, but connects a foul on jersey number 14. That is Cortez. That is your first personal foul on Cortez. No good. This time on Cortez to another Cortez, number 14. Ipapalit pa yun. That is a nice shot. And nice assist on number 14 on Cortez. Now number 19. 3 million. To number 8. Montilla naman. Using the glass on Montilla. 2 points is good. 24-22 our official score. Di pa rin naglalayo ang ating score. Repudia to Cortez. Fires a three. That is the 3 points on contest number 14. On number 19. The guy on Martinez, number 8. Connects foul on jersey number 8 on Cortez. That is your first personal foul on Cortez number 8. On number 8, Martinez. 10 seconds to shoot. That is a troubling basket. That is a troubling violation. Six minutes and 42 seconds exactly on the time remaining. Repuja on the side to Alcarado, the guy Rivera. Pina to na lang pero 2 points yan on Rivera, number 23. Martinez on number 8. Tremelios, no good. Pero may foul tayo on jersey on number 23. Can I say foul on number 23? And that's number 11. No good. Six minutes, 3 seconds. The guy naman, Cortez. That is a basket on Cortez, number 14. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Nag-start tayo ngayon ng magandang laro. Diretso na yan on December 30 hanggang January 2. Puro magaganda ng 3rd at 4th game natin. But we have a foul on jersey. On number 17, there is a guilty on the hacking foul on number 17. First throw, that is a basket. Now the second throw on Tremelios, number 19. That is a basket. Substitution. Repuja, papalitan on Bulinan. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Cortez, number 14. Setting a play on Cortez. Fires on Cortez, number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. That is a basket. Sinigurado on Cortez, number 8. Again naman. Tremelios. That is 3 points on Tremelios. 33-27 official score. Alcarado, number 17. But still, Tremelios, number 19. Di diretso, no basket. Pero may foul on jersey on number 19. Hacking foul on number 19. Substitution. Montilla is out. On Cortez, number 8 is out. Replace on Alcantara. That is your second personal foul on Tremelios. 4 minutes and 47 seconds. That is a no good. Bigay now on number 19. Martinez, number 8. Bigay on number 19. Trembelios pa rin. To Kiratman. No good. Again, Kiratman. Pero may foul na tayo on jersey. On number 23. First throw, that is a basket on Kiratman, number 3. Now the second free throw. That is substitution. Who's out? On Alcarada, number 17. Papalitan on Morales, number 11. This time, on number 14, Cortez to Morales. The guy number 23. Got my foul on jersey. On number 6, Kayabyab. That is your first personal foul on Kayabyab. First throw, that is a no good on Rivera. Now for the second free throw. This time on number 11. No good. Bolilan to Morales. That is a basket on Morales. Number 11. Number 19, Tremelios. The guy number 8 on Martinez. Slashing the middle block. Pero bola mapupunta Barangay Tambak. 3 minutes 33 seconds. Morales fires the 3, no good. Defensive rebound, Kayabyab. Pero may foul tayo on jersey. Number 11, there is a blocking foul on number 11. That is your first personal foul on Morales. Warning for penalty. That is a 4-team foul on number 8, Martinez. Held ball, and for the arrow side, there is a safe ball. It does, number 11. That's a foul on number 11. Naligit. Not yet a penalty. Sa kabila yung warning kanina. Substitution. Acknowledging the arrival of Mr. June Manuel, fresh from California. Andyan, nanonood. To number 11, Morales. That is a 3 points on Morales. 38-29, our official score. Number 8, Martinez, 2. 2 points. Cortez, number 14, strongly guarded. Almost there, but saves Morales. Morales ngayon, inside pass, pero nahuli ang Kayabyab. Now Kiratman, number 3. Kiratman pa rin. Bigay on the side, Ednas. Bang! That is the 3 points and Ednas. 2 minutes 20 seconds. 38-35 our official score. Tatlo lang ang Kalamangan. That is still again. Martinez, mauna na. That is a basket on Martinez. 38-37. Isa na lang para sa Barangay Tambak. Alcantara. Bigay. Alalado Alcantara but connects a foul on jersey number 6. Timeout para sa Barangay Don Pedro. And now our official score is 38-36. That is an official 2-point lead on Barangay Tambak. First try, that is no good. This time on the second throw, that is in basket. 39-36, tatlo ang abante para sa Barangay Tambak. Number 19 Tremelias, number 19. Running shot, no good. Put back again, no good. This time on Gilida, number 18. That is a no good for 3 on Morales. Martinez naman, nauna na. No basket pero may foul on jersey number 18 on Gilida. That is your second personal foul on Gilida number 18. 1 minute and 28 seconds on the time remaining. First throw, that is a basket on Martinez. Now on the second throw. That is a no good. Single tayo, that is a single. 1 minute 26 seconds. Bigay on number 11, Ignas ngayon. 2, Tremelias. Bang! That is a 3 points. 40-39. Lamang ng isa para sa Barangay Don Pedro na ngayon ng Kalamangan. Gilido setting a play. Alcantara ang tatagap, almost still, but Alcantara na papunta pa sa ilalim. That is a traveling violation on Alcantara, number 6. Substitution. Martinez, number 8. Same ball. 19 seconds on the shot clock. We pass. Natapikan. Refugia. Gilito. Sasakto. Di makapihit. Defensive rebound. Now on number 9. Ignas ngayon. Di diretso. Shot. Bogan, Barangay Tambak, number 55. Pero napalakas yung pasa. And that's number 11. And that's ngayon. Bigay. Pero may foul ang jersey. Number 55 on Repudia. That is a guilty on the pushing foul. That is your first personal foul. Pierce is a 2 strong. Now the second free throw on Quismondo. That is split charity. 20 seconds. Morales, that is a short. 18 seconds. Only 18 seconds. 41-39 official score. Lamang ng 2 puntos para sa Barangay Don Pedro. 10 seconds. And that's this time. Bigay, Tremelios to number 20. That is the 2 points. And that's the end on the second period. 43-39 our official score. Lamang para sa Barangay Don Pedro. Barangay Tambak for the basketball, this time on the third period. Let's start. Cortez number 14 to Cortez number 8, back to number 14. This time on Alcantara. No good. Defensive rebound on number 9. There is Emos. Almost still. At natapik pa yun. Papunta on 3 millions. 3 millions now. Setting a play. Looking for receiver Martinez to Emos. 3 millions. Number 19. Di sila makapasok sa loob. Fast break. That uses the handle on number 14. Di na na-save on Cortez number 14. On Martinez number 8 too. That is a 2-stroke, pero 2 points on the putback. Number 14 reverse. That is a no good. Martinez number 8 strongly guarded by Cortez. The guy on number 19, 3 millions to Montilla. Sakto yan on Chris Mundo. That is a 2 points on Chris Mundo, number 20. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Now on Gilida number 18. Iiwan para kay Cortez, number 8. Cortez 2. Gilido again. Refugia naman. No good. Montilla for the defensive rebound. Now on Martinez. Martinez pa rin. Bigay on Montilla. Montilla. Lalapit. Bantay si Alcantara. Bigay na lang. On 8 seconds to shoot. 3 millions. No good. We have a single tire. There is a single. Only 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds on the shot clock. The guy on Martinez. That is a good 2 points on Montilla. Umabot.
Pagawa.
Gilida number 18. Refugia to Cortez. That is 3 points naman on Cortez. Pamatay sinog na 3 points from Cortez, number 8. They still on Bo Belga. Refugia now. Diretso na yan. That is a basket. May kasama pang foul on jersey. Number 5, guilty on the pushing foul on Montilla. That is your 3rd personal foul on Montilla. Substitution. We have a substitution. Pakabat para Barangay Bulawit. Walay nagawan misa na buwas. May simbang gabi. Diyan oras na 5:30. Kaya yung game natin bukas, yung first game is okay. Yung second game, ma-adjust lang yung oras nun. I-announce na lang natin doon sa GC ng manager and the coaches. Iniimbitahan kayong lahat na mga taga-Barangay Bulawin para sa simbang gabi bukas ng ating 5:30. Connects a foul on number 29. That is a holding foul on Alcantara. That is your 2nd personal foul on Alcantara. Bigay. Endas. No good. Refugia now. Pass break on Cortez. Mauuna doon si Cortez. 2 points is good. 49-47. Dalawa na lang. Pero Kiratman to the rescue on the 2 points of Kiratman. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Don Pedro. Cortez now. Cortez running shot, 2 points is good. Number 11. Bigay on Kiratman. Kiratman ngayon. Pero still Alcantara now on number 29. Bigay on contest. That is a short for 3. And that's to Martinez. Martinez ngayon on number 8. Bigay on Tremelios. No good. Napasa pa yun. Kiratman. Pero nabitawan ng jersey number 3. Mapapatawag bigla ng timeout para sa Barangay Don Pedro. Official score is 51-49. 2 puntos lang ang abante para sa Barangay Don Pedro. Number 18 on Gilida. Cortez number 8. Cortez ngayon, strongly guarded. Bigay on the side. Connects a foul on number 3. Ten seconds to shoot. That is a basket. Deadlock tayo on 51. Martinez 2. Ednas fires a 3. That is a too strong. Repudia pass break again. Cortez. That is a basket that may kasama pang foul on jersey. On number 8, on Martinez connects a foul. That is your second personal foul on jersey number 8. This time takes the bonus free throw. That is a basket. 54-51. Tatlo ang abante. Nakalamangan nagbabalik para sa Barangay Tambak. Tremelios to Ednas. 2 points. Biglang replay. 54-53. Isa lang ang kalamangan. Contest 2. Repudia slashing the middle. 2 points is good. On the side, Tremelios strongly guarded by Cortez. Di makawala ang Tremelios. Papalit pa ang Galido. Nah, he's still not. This is Cortez. Up in the way, short. Pero may foul tayo on jersey number 8. That is Martinez, guilty on the pushing foul. That is your third personal foul substitution. On Calabiab is out. Replacing San Matilla, number 5. Alcantara 2, Gilido. Finds on number 14, Cortez. Nabitawan, Martinez. Almost there, pero sakto, no good. Mapupulat. Pero may pita tayo. We have a whistle on jersey number 20. That is your first personal foul on Quismundo. Three minutes and 5 seconds. Now number 11 to Martinez. Martinez ngayon. Man-to-man ang laban para sa Barangay Tambak. Montilla sa ilalim. No basket, but connects the foul earlier on number 6 on Alcantara. That is your first personal foul. We have a substitution. Who's out on number 14? Number 6 pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Martinez. No good. Mapugulat. Saves Montilla this time, number 5. 2 points is good. 58-57. Lamang pa rin ang isang Barangay Tambak. Gilido now, strongly guarded. Bigay Morales. No good. Number 3. Defensive rebound. Kiratman to Ednas Martinez. Biglang nagulat sa batay. Kaya binigay ang Montilla. 2 points is good. Change paper tayo para sa Barangay Don Pedro. Isang puntos ng kalamangan. Now Gilido number 18. Morales, 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Cortez, libre. No good. Di na save. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Bola mananatili para sa Barangay Don Pedro. Baseline inbound on Kiratman, number 3. Back to Kiratman. Tapigan. At bola mapupunta ang Barangay Tambak. 59-58 ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang ng isa para sa Barangay Don Pedro. Rebuja now. That is a basket on Rebuja. Martinez on number 8, pero napasobra yung pasa para kay Montilla. 1 minute 20 seconds. Connects a foul on number 20. That is a blocking foul on number 20. That is your second personal foul on number 20. Warning on penalty, not yet on penalty. Alcantara, no good. Same ball tayo. There is a same ball. 1 minute 12 seconds. Bigay Cortez. 2 Gilido. No good. Same ball pa rin tayo. There is a same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. There is a 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 13 on Morales. Bigay on the side to Alcantara. Put back, no good. Saves Morales. Down. Napaganda pa on the 3 points on Morales. 50 seconds. And that's ngayon. Atake naman ang Dos. That is a 2 points. 63-61. That connects a foul on number. That is number 18. Connects a foul. We have a substitution. That is your third personal foul. For that third team foul also. Looking for the Super Martinez ang tatanggap. Almost still. But still this time Cortez. Up into low. That is a basket on Cortez, number 14. "27 seconds on Kiratman, number 3. To Crismundo, short. 20 seconds. Cortez na libre, 2 points. 13 seconds. Pero may foul tayo on jersey. Number 14 on Cortez. That is your second personal foul. Warning on penalty. Both teams are warning in penalty. 10 seconds, only 10 seconds. And that's number 11. Powers the 3. No good. Quismonda. No good. No. May foul tayo number 55 Barna Puja. 2 free throws. We have 2 free throws. This is a no basket this time for the second free throw. And now back to the podium for the fourth. And now back to the podium on the fourth and final quarter. 10 minutes on the play-up. This time, para sa Barangay Don Pedro on the basketball, number 3, Kiratman, 2, Martinez, number 8. Martinez ngayon, setting a play. Pass on number 6 to Kiratman. That is a no good. Almost safe, but di na naabutan ng Imos. 67-61, that is official score. 6-point lead. 6-point lead para sa Barangay Tambak. That is a no good for 3. Kiratman to Martinez, number 8. Bigay naman, 3 Milios. That is the short. Contest number 14. That is offensive foul on jersey. Number 29 on Alcantara, offensive foul. That is your third personal foul on Alcantara. On number 8, Martinez. Setting a play, bigay number 19, Tremelios. Bigay number 6. Tremelios now. Pero mahuhuli, Rivera. Bola. Parin ng Barangay Tambak for the basketball this time. Baseline on Rivera. Bigay ang Cortez, number 8. Cortez now. Cortez strongly guarded. Cortez to Rivera. 10 seconds to shoot. Alcantara. No good. Martinez now, number 8. Hihintayin ang buong kakampi. Kaya biyang number 6 to Kiratman. Looking for receiver. That is a no good. Matatapik.
Salito.
Alcantara to Cortez, number 8. Cortez now.
Gwapo sa baga to rami kayo ba to?
Technical foul for the bench coach on Barangay Don Pedro for continuous complaining. Who's take the technical free throw on Cortez jersey number 8. That is a basket on the technical free throw. 68-61. Advantage sa 7 puntos ang Kalamangan on Barangay Tambak. Last 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Matagal pa yan. Number 29 on Alcantaras. Last in the middle. Put back. 2 points is good on another Alcantara. Number 6. Martinez pa rin to Tremelios. That is a block. Cortez.
Ay! Anspo.
Unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 3. Playing with the man, not with the ball. 2 free throws plus ball possession on Barangay Tambak. First throw, that is a basket on jersey number 8 on Cortez. This time for the second free throw. No good. Substitution. Sige, pakitawag na lang yung papalitan ninyo. Last 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 6, San Alcantara. Tatanggap on Alcantara, number 29. Cortez on number 14. The guy on the side, Alcantara now. 10 seconds to shoot. The director Alcantara, number 29. That is in 2 points. Last 7 minutes and 46 seconds. Sa ilalim, short again. Pero may foul on jersey. On number 23, that's a foul. That is your third personal foul. 2 free throws now on Kayabyab jersey number 6. First Kapos now on the second free throw. That is a basket as Lee Charity. 73-62 official score. Rivera mahuhuli on Montilla. Number 5 to Redness ngayon. That is a kickball. Mapupunta ang bola ng Barangay Tambak. We have a substitution. Rivera is out to place on Refugia number 55. Refugia now number 55. No good. Number 6. Karamba. I foul down jersey number 6. That is Kayabyab holding foul. That is your third personal foul. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Alcantara. Bigay naman on Alcantara. No good. Put back short. Martinez mapupulot. Martinez, that is a good shot. 2 points is good. Dinanda to Alcantara. Alcantara to contest number 14. Repudia to Alcantara. Short. Saves the ball. Same ball tayo. That is a same ball. Substitution. Kayabyab is out. Replace on Kiratman. Only 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. Nawala yun. That is a basket. 2 points. Para kay Bobel ka ng Barangay Tambakan Repudia. And that's... That is 3 points at number 11. 75-67. Walo pa rin ang abante on Barangay Tambak. That is 3 points. Bawi naman agad ang number 14. The next a foul on number 8 Cortez. Second personal foul on number 8. Substitution. Who's out? Montilla is out. Papalitan ng Chris Mundo, number 20. Last 6 minutes. 10 seconds. Halos nangangalahati na ang ating time remaining. Bigay, Tremelios, number 19. Tremelios. Saves Martinez. Inside pass, pero basang-basa on Alcantara. Martinez. Lock. Saves Ednas. Still. Ednas 2. Martinez number 8. Times the 3. No good. Defensive rebound and connects a foul on jersey. That is number 11. That is your third personal foul. Timeout para sa Barangay Tambak. And now back to the ball game. Last 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Cortez on number 14. Cortez pa rin. The side on Martinez, number 8. Almost still on. That connects a foul on number 55. Holding foul. That is your third personal foul on number 55. Number 11. Number 11, Ednas. Fires the 3 again. Pangalawang 3 points on Ednas, number 11. 78-70. Baba sa 8 ulit. Alcantara. Bigay. That loses the handle on number 6 on Alcantara. Now on Martinez, number 8. Setting a play. Tremelios now, number 19 to number 11. Tremelios. Short. Pero put back. Sinigurado on number 20 on Luis Mundo. 78-72. Baba sa 6. This time, Alcantara, block. Number 11 on Ednas, 2 points is good. Baba ulit sa apat, 78-74, our official score. Okay, last touch para sa Barangay Don Pedro. Timeout on Barangay Tambak. And now back to the ball game. Timeout on Barangay Don Pedro. Both teams meron pang isang timeout na natitira. Iniimbitahan ang buong barangay ng Barangay Bulawit para sa gaganaping misa on 5:30 p.m. Pagkabatid si Kayora at taga-Jawad Barangay Bulawit. Salamat. Number 14 on Cortez. Rebuta number 55. That is offensive foul on number 29. That is offensive foul. Number 29. That is your fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty for the 14 foul. Single tayo. That is a single. Last 4 minutes 16 seconds. 78-74 our official score. Kiraman ipipilit. Bola mapupunta para sa Barangay Tambak. Alcantara na mabibitawan pero may foul on jersey. Number 11, that is Ignas. Fourth personal foul on number 11.
Makulkulahan ni Secret Lassie.
Both teams are warning on penalty. The Pija, Bigay on number 14, Cortez. Pasa on another Cortez. Ipapalik yun pero mahuhuli. The next a foul on jersey on number 8. Penalty. That is your third personal foul. Penalty situation. Just wait for the announcer na i-announce ang penalty. Ina-update namin yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Penalty situation. That is a penalty. First round, that is a basket on Martinez, number 8. This time for the second free throw. Second throw on Martinez. Short. Mapupulat. Tremelias number 19. Starting a play. Ednas. Ednas pa rin. Nagkawalaan. Ednas. That is a negative. Natatakot. Bigay. Kinakbahan na yun. Negative. Wala pa pupunta para sa Barangay Tambak. Last 3 minutes, 38 seconds. Tatlo ang kalamangan, 78-75. Our official score. Di diretso ba? Napitawan, saves. Pero may foul na nasungkit si Jersey. On number 20, guilty on the cruising foul. That is your third personal foul. Penalty, this time penalty. Both teams are in penalty now. That is a basket. Missile number 55, Refugia 2, back to Refugia. Beautiful shot on Refugia.
Tun. Kasi, harap.
Almost still. At Ednas naman, lasing the middle short. Connects.
Patira.
A foul on Jersey. Number 5, Montilla, holding foul. That is your fourth personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. Substitution. First is a basket to number 29 on Alcantara. 83-75 our official score. This time on Alcantara, the second free throw. That is a no good. Gramat 2. Uses the header, nakalakas yung pasang yun. Substitution. Who's out? On number 20 is out. Remains on Ednas, number 11. Last 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Walo ang abantay para sa Barangay Tambak. 83-75. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Matatapit. Kinatmat number 3 to Martinez. Number 8, Martinez. Didiretso dahil sa basket. Huli-huli. Basket. 2 points is good. Apat na lang. Almost there, pero iniwan. Rebuta dahil sa 2 points sa number 55. Martinez, pero may foul on Jersey. On number 18, on Galido. That is your fourth personal foul on Galido. 2 free throws now on Martinez. First is no good. Now the second free throw, last 2 minutes and 17 seconds. That is a basket. Last 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Alcantara pa rin. That is a no good. Put back, Cortez, Sidney Guerrero. Last 2 minutes. Martinez still. Kiratman. That is a shot. Pero may foul na on jersey. Number 8. He connects a foul on Martinez. That is your fourth personal foul on Martinez, number 8. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Basket, 2 points. This time on number 19. Tripelios, perimeter jumper, 2 points is good. 88-82. Official score yan. Gilido. Higayan Cortez, number 8. Sasagasan, no good. Put back. Again on Alcantara. Bigay naman, Gilido. Shot. Labas, Gilido. Double shot basket on Gilido. Last 1 minute 27 seconds. And that's para may foul on jersey.
Time out. So, wala player to.
That is your fourth personal foul on number 55 on Refugia. Substitution. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Clears is a basket. This time on the second free throw. Tapos. That is a lane violation. Barangay Don Pedro for the basketball. Bigay on Imos. Pass with Gilido. 2 points on Gilido. 1 minute 14 seconds. Martinez now on number 8. Babalik. 2 at last. Now last 1 minute. Pass break again. 2 points is good. Good. Pronouncing foul on jersey on number 19. That is your third personal foul on number 19. Last 52 seconds. First row, that is a basket on number 15-5. That is a basket. Last 52 seconds. 96. 83. No good. Last 40 seconds.
Shot, time out. Shot. Ano na siya ulit?
Cortez 2. Gilido back to Cortez. 2 points on Cortez, number 8. And that's no good for 3. The future now, number 55. Last 10 seconds. Okay, congratulations para sa team ng Barangay Tambak. Kayo ang panalo sa larong ito. And our best player of the game on jersey number 8, Cortez. Ikaw ang ating best player of the game, or bida player of the game on jersey number 8, Cortez. Punta ka sa gitna ng ating court and to award the medal of the best player of the game. I call ang dalawang naggagandahang SK chairman ng Barangay Malimpag at ng Barangay Bakitew, si Miss Liz at si Miss Chubi, ang mag-award ng ating best player of the game. Okay, congratulations to our best player of the game on Cortez number 8. Ikaw ang ating bida player of the game. Pakisuot ang jersey ng buong Barangay Tambak para sa inyong picture taking. Okay, at uulitin natin yung para din sa inyong souvenir na photoshoot. Pakisuot ng maayos sa inyong jersey, pakitag in kasi ilalagay yan on the souvenir. Okay, please wear your proper uniform. Tanggalin yung mga nasa balikan ninyo. Kulang kulay duara man katon ulitin ba may dyan photoshoot mo. Okay, at saka susunod bago tayo mag-start yung Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply, susunod kayo para sa inyong photoshoot. Okay, okay, next para okay, ayos kasi yan yung souvenir. Okay, may I call the team of Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply for the photoshoot. Dito ang bench ng Barangay Lasip.